So to build a program, first we need to open a project, then go to the assembler and you can type any name that you want. For this case, we have used trial and find for the device that we will be using. In this case, we will be using Atmel 3280. So I click that and here notepad will appear, then you can type your program. So I have a ready-made program here just to add, just to show you the status register here. As you can see, upon that you can click the step, and then the encircle one is the status register where you can see where is the carry flag, zero flag, and others.